If you're thinking about getting fibre broadband installed at your business, here are a few things you should know. We try to make it as easy as possible for you. To connect, simply call your business broadband or IT provider. Enable will then contact you to discuss your installation plan. There are different ways to get the fibre from the boundary to your business. Some have very little disruption to the property. If your business is in leased premises, with multiple units, or a shared driveway, you may require permission from your landlord or other tenants. Enable will discuss your consent requirements depending on your circumstances. Our install process consists of 3 simple steps. Firstly, we'll arrange a 1-hour meeting at your business, with the building owner present if possible, to discuss the best approach to get fibre from the boundary to your business. The building owner will need to confirm the install options and will need to sign the agreed installation plan and our end user terms. Having the building owner on site at this time will prevent delays in getting your installation plan agreed. Next, our crew will come to the property and extend our network from the boundary to the outside wall of your business, based on the agreed installation plan. We'll also ensure the property is reinstated as reasonably close as possible to its original condition. Finally, we will agree with you a time for our technicians to complete the fibre connection. So to get underway, simply contact your business broadband or IT provider and we'll get you connected. Your business will then be set to enjoy all the benefits of fibre broadband.